my dear friends, this is my trip with my group of bikers called Koes Hebat Mojosari, or the Great Bikers from Mojosari, Bantul. In this trip, we are going to Kedung Tolok Waterfall. Dear bikers, Bantul Regency still has a number of tourist objects that are rarely known to the outside community. Some of them are hidden in villages with small access roads. However, this hidden destination offers natural tourism that is still preserved. Precisely in the village of Silu, Selopamioro, Imogiri, there is a waterfall tour called Kedung Tolok. This tourist destination that can be reached by bike or motorbike and small cars was started to be maintained in 2013. A number of residents are working to make Kedung Tolok a tourist destination. We are cycled together to this beautiful location, traveling a distance about 40 kilometers around the trip. A very beautiful and fun trip with all of my friends in the Great Bikers from Mojosari. Okay, dear bikers, please follow our next journey. Thank you.